Ethan. How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, that's nice. Did you eat?
Yes.
Really? Wow, what did you eat?
I ate kimchi bokkeumbap.
Oh, that's yummy. Oh, I'm hungry. How's the weather? Is it hot or cold?
Hot.
It's hot? Oh, here too, it's hot. Is it sunny?
Yes, sunny.
Sunny. Is there snow?
No.
No. So it's hot. Okay. So, Ethan, what animals do you like?
Bear. My bear and rabbit, dog.
Oh, really? Do you have a dog?
Yes.
Yes. What's the name of your dog?
No.
You don't have a dog? A teacher has a dog. The name is Coffee.
Coffee?
Yes. Wait, I will show it to you. I'll just get the dog, okay?
Okay.
One moment.
Wow!
Hi, Ethan. This is Coffee.
Yes. He's cute. He's really cute.
Oh, it's really cute. Yes. He's a baby dog. Ethan, where did you see a bear?
It's a zoo.
In the zoo. Okay. Is it a big bear or a small bear?
And mommy bear and baby bear.
Oh, really? Wow. So now, do you have your book?
40.
42, yes. What animal is this?
Go.
Goat. Very good. What about number 2? What's this?
Dog.
Duck. One more
Duck.
time. Duck.
Dog.
Okay, very good. Do you like ducks?
Yes.
All right. Okay, next number. Number 3, Ethan. What's number 3?
Cow.
Cow. Do you like cows? Moo.
Yes.
What about number 4?
Horse.
Okay, now we have here other pictures. Okay, so let's count. How many goats?
Goat.
How many?
4.
4. Yes, very good. Okay, we have 1 goat. What will you say? Goat
Goat.
or goats?
Goat.
Goat. We have 4. What will you say?
Goat.
Goat. Yes, very good. Okay, what about number 2? What about number 2, Ethan?
Dog.
Duck. One more
Duck.
time. Duck.
Duck.
Okay, very good. We have 5. What will you say?
Ducks.
Ducks. Very good. And we have 2. What will you say? Cow or cows?
Cows.
What about number 4? We have 3.
Horse. I don't know.
It's horses.
horses.
Very good. Let's cover this one. What's this?
Dog.
Okay, again, please, one more time.
Ducks.
Ducks. Very good. What about this, Ethan? What is this?
Cow.
Oh, very good. And what about this, Ethan? What is this?
Horse.
Is it horse? We have 3.
Horses.
Horses. Good job. Very good. Again, Ethan, what's this?
Horses.
Horses. Very good. And this one, Ethan, what's this?
Goat.
Goat. What about this?
Goat.
Goats. Yes. And this one?
Dog.
Again, please, one more time.
Duck.
Duck. And this is?
Cow.
Cow.
Cow. Cows.
Cows. All right. And number 4, the last one?
Horse.
Horse. Very good. Okay. Now, let's have the next page. Okay. So we will count. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Very good, Ethan. Now, teacher will ask you, okay?
Okay.
Ethan, how many goats?
8 goats.
8 goats. Very good. Again, Ethan, how many goats?
8 goats.
Very good. Now, look at this farm animals. What animals do you see?
Goats.
Very good.
Horses.
Very good.
Cows.
Cows. Okay, now, Ethan, teacher will ask you, okay? Ethan, how many horses? How many horses?
Horses?
Yes, count. We have
I
How
don't
many?
know.
Okay, let's count. Let's count, okay? 1.
1, 2. Ah, sorry.
Okay, very good. 3. What animals?
3 horses.
Very good. Good job. High five. Yeah. Good job, Ethan. Again, Ethan. How many horses?
3.
3 horses.
3 horses.
Good. Ethan, how many cows?
Wait. 10 cows.
Yay! Let's repeat. Ethan, how many horses?
3 horses.
How many cows?
10 cows.
How many goats?
8 goats.
Okay, now let's have the next page. Oh, we are going to read. How many cows? Are you ready? Okay, let's start. How many cows?
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 2 cows.
2 cows.
Very good. Ethan, it's your turn on your own. 1, 2, 3, go.
How many cows? How many cows? 2 cows.
Very good.
Cows? How many cows?
Is it cows?
How many goats?
Okay.
How many goats? 3 goats.
3 goats. Okay.
How many horses? How many horses? 4 horses. How many ducks? Ducks?
Very
How many
good.
ducks?
Mhm.
1 duck.
Okay.
2 cows, 3 goats, 4 horses, 1 dog.
Okay. Good job, Ethan. Now, look around your table. Look around your table and let's count. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Very good. So, teacher has 1 pen. What about you, Ethan?
1 pen.
Oh, 1 handphone. 1 handphone. What about you, Ethan?
1 clock.
1 clock. Very good. Okay, I have here 2 mirrors. 2 mirrors. What about you, Ethan?
Ah. Two glass.
Ooh, wow, that is so cute. 1 water bottle. 1 water bottle. What about you?
One eraser.
Good job, Ethan. Oh, I like your eraser. It's so big. Wow. Okay. What's the color of your eraser? What's the color of your eraser?
Blue sky.
Oh, sky blue.
Sky blue.
Okay, again, what's the color of your eraser?
Sky blue.
Sky
Black.
blue and black. Wow, that's so cute. Thank you, Eden. Now, let's see here. Okay. Now, Eden, you will ask teacher. Okay. So, will you ask teacher, Ethan?
How many dogs? 2 dogs.
All right. So, Ethan, teacher will answer your question. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Again, ask teacher, please.
Okay. How many dogs?
Dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 dogs. Very good, Ethan. Now, before we end our lesson, I will give you homework. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. So, count how many horses, how many cats, and how many rabbits. Okay?
Okay.
There you go. So, Ethan, have a nice day, Ethan. Bye!
Bye bye.